How to fix YouTube comments not showing. So if you want to fix YouTube comments not showing, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your YouTube application. After opening your YouTube, you need to go with your profile, which will be in the bottom, and then go with the settings, which will be in the top right. And once you're on your settings, you need to scroll down, and then you need to just simply go and make sure that your restricted mode is turned off. So go with general, and here you may have restricted mode option. Once you've turned off your restricted mode, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you can go back and remove your YouTube from your background, and then tap and hold on to your YouTube application for a few seconds, and then go with the app info section. Go with storage and cache, and then go with clear cache. After clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. Or if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can just simply go and restart your device, or you can go with your Play Store and go with search, and here you need to search for YouTube, and if you have any updates on your YouTube, just simply go and update it. So these are the few fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.